How to Create a Post on Instagram 2025 Updated Guide. Hey everyone! Welcome back to How To Mastery, your trusted channel for easy and updated tech tutorials. In today's video, I'll show you how to create a post on Instagram, step by step, using the latest 2025 version of the app. Let's get started. First, open the Instagram app on your phone and make sure
सबको
you're
लगता है
logged
कि
into
कुछ तो
your
सीक्रेट
account.
स्ट्रैटेजी है जो काम
Now tap the plus icon at the bottom center of your screen. This is where you can create a new post. From here, you'll see several options: post, story, reel, or live. How to make your Instagram account private. Next, choose the photo or video you want to upload from your gallery. You can also tap the camera icon to take a new one instantly. Once selected, tap next in the top right corner. Now you can edit your photo using Instagram's built-in filters and tools, adjust brightness, contrast, or add effects to make it look perfect. When you're happy with the edit, tap Next again. Here you can write a caption, tag people, add a location, or even share the post to Facebook or Threads if your accounts are connected. Once everything looks good, tap Share. And congratulations! Your photo or video is now live on your Instagram feed. Bonus tip: if you want to plan your post, you can also tap the Schedule option and choose a date and time for automatic posting, a new feature added in 2025. And that's it! You've successfully learned how to create a post on Instagram using the latest update. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more simple and useful tutorials, only on How to Mastery.